Hey, welcome to the Beers Jack of Barbecue. Check this out. I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Today we're doing a quick one. It's just going to be some pork tenderloin. And I don't know if any of you have seen it, but at Costco they have the pork tenderloins all broken down into pieces and just have rubber around the outside. Well, I thought I'd give that a try. So I took some pork tenderloin, coated them, and then sliced them up. And here we are, just got one of them. Today we're using Patriots, and you'll see that we're an affiliate with them. We're going to show more products along the way, probably show you everything we got from them and what we use it on. So that's going to be interesting in what we do. But today I just got the Rec Tec fired up around 350. I'm just going to put them on. Turtle's going to get to about 100, going to flip them, and gets closer to 145, we're going to pull them off. So nothing exciting on that one, but it's going to be a good dinner. So we'll see you on the grill. All right, let's throw them on. Said I got to run around 350. I'm going to probe one just so we can try to get some temperatures. Probably going to be that one. You kind of see where I have the coating on the outside. I never even said which one it is. We'll have to tell you which one it is, but it's a Habanero one for Patriots. There's a tiny little piece, see if that'll even hang on. This was an end, so we'll get that all on there. Okay, so just going to use that for a guide. All right, we'll bring it back when we get to 100 degrees. All right, we just hit 100 degrees and probably just drifted past it a little bit. Looks good. Yeah, I don't expect a lot of color on these as far as that goes, but now we're going to leave them go till they get to about 140 and I'll start checking everything out. But I'm happy with the way they're looking right now. This is the bigger one too, so. All right, we'll bring it back as we get towards 140. Might be pulling them off, might just do a quick check on them. All right, we just hit 140, so I want to start checking them out. Because they are small, I want to make sure what we get. Yeah, that's right around 140 as well. Placement is hard for the probe. Yeah, if you can see it, 141. That's right at 140. So it's a good guide there. What we know we're at right now, it's actually saying 142. When that gets to about 145, I'm going to pull them all off and then it'll carry over to the 145. All right, so we just got to 146 on that one I had probed. I'm going to pull them off just because I know they're done. So they look good. They're going to be nice and tender and nice and juicy. I'm going to wrap them up and let them sit just 5 minutes while we get set up here, but I don't recommend trying that at home. All right, we'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are, into the cook. Pork tenderloins on the Rec Tec. Like I said, I had the whole pork tenderloin. I seasoned the whole outside with Patriots. It's called Tex-Mex Habanero seasoning. Spoiler, I actually used this before because I was testing out their product before we wanted to agree to do anything, but everything I've tried so far, fantastic. Can't wait to break in some of the other things. But coated everything on the outside, sliced it, then touched it up, and then all we do is have seasoning around the whole outside of this. Put in the Rec Tec when it got to about 100 degrees, flipped them over, got to 140, we started checking everything out, and everything was right on the money. So right at 145, we pulled it off. My wife actually likes it when it's probably towards 150, but she won't be eating any of these because of the heat on the seasoning. But so for Jack and I, a little bit less, and it probably carried over to about 148. So let's cut into this thing and see how it looks and how it tastes. Super tender, perfect medium. That's really good. Really tender, actually really juicy, because the one thing that I always fight with on tenderloin is actually keeping them a little bit moist. So getting them done to this perfect temperature is great. The other thing about habanero, like I like heat, and they're not crazy hot, but I like some heat. Habanero hits me in the back of the throat a little bit delayed, so as it was just hitting me as I was talking there. So we'll have links in the show more to show you where to buy this product. We'll actually probably have a code to use for us as well. It just helps the support channel, which we appreciate. And hopefully, like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.